What is up, everyone? It's Jessica, and in today's video we're going to be doing another unboxing, but I know my last video, I think that one went up already. If not, either way, kind of sort of spoiler, unboxings are going to kind of slowly dwindle on this channel. Anyways, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is from the Hemp Co. This is actually, it's not hemp, don't worry, it's not the THC, it's not going to get you high, it's not that. It's the CBD part of it. So, what I do have is another 3 months of these boxes here. And I'm so excited to announce that I'm actually partnering with them on today's video, and they have a discount code for you guys. So you guys can save a 20% on your purchase using my code Jessica20. Now, it is an affiliate code, so if you don't want to use it, that's fine. It's not going to hurt me. But it'll save you 20%, and I do get a little bit back to help support this channel. So if you do not know, CBD is actually, I'm going to probably struggle over to say this, cannabidiol. It is the second most prevalent ingredient in cannabis. We're going to keep it kind of YouTube friendly. Hopefully they don't demonetize this. Anyways, it is essential. So CBD is essential for the medical marijuana. It helps kind of relax and everything. But a little bit more information about like CBD. It's used to help kind of calm yourself. A lot of people use it for anxiety, or some people use it if they suffer through like insomnia, because it will help them get to sleep. There is no high you are getting from this. So I want to keep that in your guys' mind. You do not get a high from smoking CBD. Okay? You get high from smoking THC. So there are some side effects of CBD. I don't know how well like these are studied or tested or anything, but just to kind of throw them out there. Some of them do include nausea, fatigue, and irritability. The fatigue, I mean, I kind of, if you're trying to go to sleep, I can understand that. But anyways, just saying. Alright, so back to this guy right here. So like I said, this is the Hemp Co. This is the Hemp Crate Co., and it is the most affordable way to try CBD online, or I guess like on the market, you know what I mean, instead of going into a shop or anything. This guy's a little bit expensive. However, you're supposed to get good stuff in there, so let's just get into the first one. They also do come in like a outer packaging, kind of like an Ipsy in a way. That way it just doesn't say Hemp Crate Co. on there. So, this is what our first one looks like on the inside. Oh, look! That thing fell. So, here's our card. It says, legal notice. This package contains hemp that was cultivated in Oregon pursuant to a license issued by the Oregon Department of Agriculture. Though hemp may look like marijuana, it is legally distinct. The Agricultural Improvement Act of 2018, the 2018 Farm Bill, defines hemp as follows. The term hemp means the plant Cannabis sativa L, and any part of that plant, including the seeds thereof and all derivatives, extracts cannabinoids and salts of isomers, whether growing or not, with a delta-9 tetrahydrocannabinoid concentrate of not more than 0.3% on a dry weight basis. The 2018 Farm Bill also prohibits states or Indian tribes from prohibiting the intercept and transference of delivery of hemp. Oh. Traveling with your hemp or CBD, take this place card with you to help explain the situation to law enforcement. So, basically what they're saying, everything in here is legal. And we have, oh look, we have a magnet. This magnet is going to join our Jackie's chocolate magnet. Okay. So, we have a Relax, Feel Better Faster, a CBD chill shot. Ooh. Works in 15 minutes. It says, take a shot, please chill responsibly. Alright, let's give this a shot. No pun intended. Oh, it smells good. You ready? Bottoms up. Kind of tastes like cough medicine. Did not smell like cough medicine. Tasted like cough medicine. Tasted a lot like cough medicine. Alright. So 15 minutes, I don't know what time it is. What time it is? It is 1:09. Let's see how chill I will be in 15 minutes. Alright, so next we have a hippie hemp balm. Unfortunately, I can't try this on because I have stuff on my lips. But we can give her a sniff. And it does have a little safety seal. I think the little truck is so cute. Like, it's like almost on everything. It's not on this. Oh, it smells good. It's got like a hint of like vanilla-y. It's very, just the smell is very relaxing. I like that. You can always use chapstick. And I don't know what this is, but that's... Oh, wow. She is strong scent. That is so cool. Okay, so we have 4 little jars here of our Botany Farms Craft Cannabis. And this has 18.5 CBG in it. This one's got 18.8, 19.7, and 16.8. Now none of these, well, all 4 of these have less than 0.3% THC, so you're not going to get high out of this, like, not at all. So we have a sativa one, and if you don't know, okay, there's 2 different types of like strains. There is a sativa and then an indica strain. And then also a hybrid, which would literally be a hybrid. So this is the sativa one. The sativa strain is more like giving you energy, kind of upbeat and everything. And let's see, do we have, that's a hybrid. And your indica is more of like your relaxing, calming, gonna kind of basically put you to sleep. So we got a special sauce, a sour space candy, and then we have a Hawaiian haze and the white. Alright, I love that they got names on them because you always should know what your strain is. Oh, they got little seals. So, I mean, I thought like just having that as a seal was good enough for me. I didn't even show you guys like the bottle or the jar. On what kind of YouTuber am I? So I really like the design of the jar because it's got a cute little window to show you what's on the inside. But there's so much CBD here. And I still have 2 other boxes to open. Ooh. That smells really good. So, it does, I'm gonna get demonetized for this video. I'm completely okay with it. So, you guys want to try it out, please make sure you use my code, Jessica20. And I will have their site linked down in the description box, so you can just click that too. But so here is our CBD of our indica. I'm not going to try this out for you guys because I don't have anything to put it in. Sorry. That smells heavenly. But we still have 3 other boxes to open. So there's got to be something else in there that we can try. Let's go ahead and move on to this guy. So box number 2. Friends don't let their friends buy CBD at gas stations. What a good friend. Very, very true. Alright, more tissue paper. Ooh. So this one, we got a pack of CBD little buds. I didn't know what else to call them, but they are CBD buds. That's just what their name is. So this one's got 4 different other ones. I'm not going to open these either, just because I don't need this much open, and I'd rather have them be safe in their sealed package. So we have a Alpenglux, the white. Oh, we got 2 the white. And cherry abacus and berry blossom. And then these are all from different farms. This one's from Sacred Valley. I mean, buffalo skulls. And so I just want to show you guys also, so on the back, they do, this one's a little bit easier to read than the jar because the jar is a little bit smaller. It'll show you how much THC and then how much CBD is in here. This one, they couldn't even find really any traces of THC, so it's not even on there. This one's got, same thing. This one, there we go. This one's got this one's actually a tiny bit above, but it's 0.04. But it's still, you're not gonna get anything from that. You're just gonna get the relaxing part of it.
Oh, they got different type of trims on there. Look at them. We got any machine? Nope, they're all hand trimmed. That's good. I'd prefer a hand trim.
We got another little sticker. We got a lot of stickers, okay? Okay, so that's cool. This gives you a little ordering sheet. So if you wanted to order more of this, which one is this? I'll show you. So this one is the cherry. If you wanted, say, a gram of this, which this is 2 grams. So in here is 2 grams, but if you wanted a gram of this, a gram is $10. So 25% off and free shipping. Alright, so the cherry abacus says it's grown indoors in Utah and hand trimmed by us. The green and vibrant orange colors shine on a well manicured and fluffy structure. This is an ingrown and hand trimmed and gives off a pleasant cherry herbal scent. Okay, we're gonna smell you to see if you do smell a little bit cherry. Just a little bit. Okay, you do. That's cool. So it also, I'm not going to read them all for you guys, but this little card tells you which each strain, like, kind of where they came from. So that is really cool in there too. And lastly in here we have a CBD peppermint toothpaste. Okay. Says formulated by dentist, all natural ingredients, whitens teeth, removes plaques, strengthens enamels, and reduces inflammation. So here's our toothpaste. And there's directions on it. I want to smell it. Oh, it just smells like peppermint. Alright. Moving on to the third box. I'm actually really excited to get this. Third box. Oh, this was not a sticker. Oh, this is a coaster. Jeez. So we got a coaster in this one. Here's our other little card. This is a mint. Find your now. It's a 10 milligram CBD per piece. So this is a Ecotherapy Winter Mint Relax. It's a cute packaging. I like it. It's pretty. I wish they would have gave us 6. I don't know. I don't like odd numbers. So we got like, I think they're mints. Let's just kind of pop one in and we're going to try it. A little bit of a chalkiness to it, but maybe that's because I chewed it. Maybe don't chew them. And then next in here we have, oh, how nice of them. They helped me out by giving me a lighter. So we have a hemp crate lighter, guys. Just your normal lighter. Oh look, we can light our candle with it. Here's my coffee candle. That's I need a new one. I need more candles. But we did get another pack of these guys. Don't know why they had to get such a big bag. I lost my sharp object. The wife. Sour Tsunami, Lifter, and OG Purple Kush. I like this one. I know I like the Purple Kush. That's neither here nor there for this video. Anyways, I like these jars just a little bit more, or even these, because they tell you indica, sativa, how much is in it. I mean, it just shows down here. I'm not going to be able to get it to focus in that. But it's just a tiny little thing saying there's less than like 3%, less than 0.3% THC in here. I can try. Oops. I can try and get it. But that right there, that little thing down there, that's the only thing that's going to be on this jar to tell you that there's no THC in it. But there's not like any CBD or anything compared to this one. This one you get all of these little facts. You get the name, you know, and then over here, right here, it shows you if it's a sativa, hybrid, indica, or anything like that. I'm more than happy with all 3 of these boxes that I got. I can't wait to actually try out some of these. Like I said, we're not going to do it on camera we're not going to do it. If you guys would like to try out a CBD subscription box from them, make sure you use my code Jessica20. I'll have their website linked down in the description box below. And let me know what you guys think of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Give it a thumbs down if you don't. You can do you. It's completely okay. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe by clicking right here. It'll take you to the subscription page. And if you're enjoying my videos and you want to watch some more, there should be a couple playlists right here. You can just go ahead and binge watch there. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I love you guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye!